Hey, it's MRA, Passive Income Playbook, here to give you a good one. I hope you're ready for it. Like, subscribe.
Have you ever thought about how you could make money while spending time with man's best friend? This question might sound like an exciting proposition for dog lovers. In today's dog-friendly societies, people are always on the lookout for reliable, trustworthy individuals who can take care of their beloved pets. This burgeoning interest paves the way for various income opportunities for those who love spending their time with these furry friends. To better understand these opportunities, we have created this comprehensive video guide titled Positive Passive Income: Unleashing Your Wealth with Dogs. This informative video will delve into these income-generating ventures revolving around dogs. We will walk you through an array of exciting ways you can create a passive income stream simply by leveraging your love for dogs. The video is structured to encompass a vast range of dog-related activities that you could turn into lucrative business ventures. From dog walking and pet sitting to breeding, training, and even selling pet products online, the list is as endless as your enthusiasm. We will shed light on each of these areas, discussing their potential and profitability in detail. Each segment of this video is designed to focus on a different aspect of these opportunities. It provides you with a step-by-step guide, giving you an in-depth understanding of each income stream, its requirements, and its benefits. The objective is to furnish you with valuable insights, strategies, and tips that can be instrumental in enhancing your wealth through this venture. Let's dive right into the different dog-related passive income streams. Dog walking, pet sitting, breeding, training, and selling pet products online. The list is endless. Each scene in this video will focus on a different aspect, providing you with valuable insights and strategies that you can use to enhance your wealth. But it's not just about the money. It's about the stories of real people who have embarked on an epic journey toward financial independence and discovered the power of passive income in the process. We'll delve into the intricate tapestry woven by their experiences, presenting narratives that are as diverse as they are inspiring. These are the tales of ordinary individuals who have managed to turn their lives around with the help of a small, four-legged friend. They come from all walks of life. Some had high-powered jobs in corporate America, while others were just getting by in blue-collar roles. They had one thing in common: a passion for dogs and a desire to make a difference in their own lives and in the lives of their canine friends. These are stories of grit, determination, and ingenuity, where a love for dogs becomes a catalyst for financial success and personal growth. We will spotlight their techniques and strategies, sharing insights into how they transformed a hobby or passion into a lucrative venture. You'll learn about the challenges they faced, setbacks, the moments of doubt, and how they pushed through, driven by their love for their canine companions. We'll share their moments of triumph, their joy, their surprise, when they realized that what started as a side gig became their main source of income. They ventured into unknown territories, faced their fears, and emerged victorious, demonstrating that with the right attitude and a little bit of effort, anyone can follow in their footsteps. Each person's journey is unique. Their backgrounds, strategies, and the challenges they've faced can serve as an inspiration for you. To add an element of reality and authenticity, we'll be discussing the challenges and obstacles faced in these dog-related passive income fields. It's important to note that becoming successful in these fields is not always a cakewalk. There are numerous hurdles to overcome. Some of them are generic, while others are specific to the dog-related niche. One general obstacle is the common misconception that passive income means not having to work at all. This couldn't be further from the truth. Generating a passive income requires effort, dedication, and a sound strategy. Now, if we zoom into the dog-related field, the first hurdle is the competition. The pet industry is a booming one, and many entrepreneurs are trying to tap into it. Standing out among the crowd requires you to bring something fresh and unique to the table. Another challenge, staying updated with the latest trends in the industry. What worked yesterday might not work today. This requires constant learning and adaptation. Then, there is the challenge of building a loyal customer base. people love their dogs and are careful about the products they choose for them. Gaining their trust is not easy. It requires consistency in quality and a genuine understanding of dogs and their needs. Hence, in this journey of creating a dog-related passive income, we must not only be business-minded but also dog-minded. We'll offer tips and advice on how to navigate these challenges, helping you on your path to financial freedom. And unmistakably, we'll share abundantly enriched resources and practical tools that have the potential to be instrumental in helping you attain conspicuous success in these dog-related activities. Our mission is to enable you to simplify and enhance your dog-caring endeavors, thus giving you the ability to concentrate more on creating an unbreakable bond with your beloved pet. Let's dive a bit deeper. Whether it's an intuitive, user-friendly app specifically designed to organize your dog walking schedule, or an extensive, detailed online course that delves into the art and science of dog training, we have got you covered. These resources are ordinary tools, but they are well-researched, tried and tested devices that have proved beneficial to countless dog lovers across the globe. The app we will discuss, for instance, is not just any ordinary app. It's equipped with features that are tailored to fit into your daily routines, making scheduling and managing time for your dog walks hassle-free. It's an app that understands the unpredictability of life and the importance of flexibility, allowing you to change schedules and adapt plans as necessary. On the other hand, the online course we'll delve into is more than just a series of lectures. It's a comprehensive curriculum that mixes theory with practical application. It provides step-by-step guidance on dog training techniques, from the basics of obedience training to advanced methods of behavioral modification. It's essentially a roadmap to becoming a more effective, understanding, and patient dog owner. We'll review these resources, critically examining their features, underscoring their benefits, and explicating how they can be of immense help on your fulfilling journey towards becoming an even better dog owner. So, sit tight, as this promises to be an enriching and insightful experience. Lastly, we'll delve into the mindset needed to succeed in these activities. The journey to success in these ventures isn't a straight line. It's a winding path, filled with unique challenges and opportunities. Remember, it's not just about the income you're generating. It's about much more. It's about a deep-rooted love for dogs, an ineffable that transcends the ordinary. It's the kind of passion that fuels your spirit, even when the going gets tough. Now, let's talk about determination. It's that iron-willed resolve that keeps you going when doubts start to creep in. It's the courage to keep moving forward, no matter how steep the odds. Determination often becomes the difference between success and failure. Risk-taking is also critical. It's about boldly stepping out of your comfort zone and venturing into the unknown. There are no guarantees with risks, but they often lead to the most rewarding outcomes. And finally, it's the mindset that ties all of these elements together: the passion, the determination, and the risk-taking. We'll delve into various mindset strategies, offering tips for personal growth and development to help you navigate these challenges. These strategies are not just about achieving your passive income goals, but also about fostering a growth mindset that extends beyond business. We'll discuss mindset strategies and offer tips for personal development that can help you achieve your passive income goals. Remember, consistency is key. It's essential to stay committed, keep learning, and remain persistent in your endeavors. Make sure to respond to your audience, engage with them, and make them feel a part of your journey. This includes responding to their comments, acknowledging their suggestions, and integrating their ideas into your work. This way, they'll feel valued and appreciated. Now, let's discuss the importance of diversifying your wealth dogs. Whether it's dog walking, pet sitting, or selling pet products online, these are unique business avenues that are not only fulfilling but can offer substantial financial growth. Each of these ideas provides exclusive content that can keep you interested and invested in your dog venture. I sincerely hope you found these suggestions helpful and informative. It's essential to remember to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content like this. And if you found the video enjoyable, I encourage you to like it and share it with your fellow dog enthusiasts. Until next time, keep creating.
leave some comments, like and subscribe.